and the need to change the order of integration here. So here also in this example, this is another example of the change of order of integration. So you may observe here that this integral is given to you and what limits are given to you. This limit will be for which variable? X, and this will be for y. So by rule you should integrate firstly with respect to x and then with respect to y, as x is having variable limit in this case. So if x is the variable limit, we are going to integrate with respect to x. This term is in terms of x, this term is also in terms of x. So it will be difficult to evaluate the integration in this case also. And we don't have any standard formula to evaluate this. So for such cases, there is need to change the order of integration. So to change the order of integration, what we are going to do? We are going to change the sequence of integration. Means instead of x, if we are integrating with respect to y, see, this a minus x will be outside because it will be constant with respect to y. Only this thing you need to integrate first, and that is the easier task to integrate this term. So we will change the order of integration in this case. So what are the limits given? How to change the order of integration? You need to write all the limits. Using those limits, you need to draw the region, and whatever the strip considered previously, the another strip you are going to consider for the next limit or the new limits here. So what are the limits given to you? So you are provided with y equals to 0, y equals to a, x equals to y square upon a. This means y square equals to ax. This is equation for which curve? Parabola, right? And another one is the x equals to y. So we have got this 1, 2, 3, 4 equations. Using those, let's draw the region. So x-axis, this is y-axis. Y equals to 0 means your x-axis. Y equals to a. Y equals to a line will be what? Parallel to x-axis or y-axis?
X-axis.
X-axis somewhere here. Y equals to a. Because this point will be 0, a. Here. What about this parabola? Will it be symmetric about x-axis or y-axis? X-axis. X is having odd power, so it will be symmetric about x-axis, somewhat like this. Equation of this parabola is y square equals to ax. And what about this line x equals to y? X equals to y line will be, we pass from 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, a. Right? So x equals to y line will be somewhat like this. X equals to y. And what can you say about this point of intersection? Will it be AA? Because y is a and x is equals to y. So this point is AA in this case. Okay? So previously you had the x limit variable. So which strip was considered previously? Horizontal. Now you need to reverse the sequence. So you will consider the vertical strip here. Now using vertical strip, move the strip from left to right to cover the region where the lower end of strip is touching. On this line, what is the equation of this line? Y is equals to x. So the limit of y will be y equals to x. 2. Where the upper end of strip is touching on the parabola. So how can you write this equation in terms of y? Y is equals to root ax. So this is limit for y. What about x? On x-axis, this whole region lies from which point to which point? From 0 to a. So the x will have limit 0 to a, and ultimately we got the limit for y variable. So we can integrate firstly with respect to y in this case. So let's change the limit and let's solve. So this is the LHS as it is through that question. So LHS is equals to integration x equals to 0 to a, integration y is equals to x to root ax. As you are integrating with respect to y first, this a minus x will be constant. So let's write it outside the integration. Here you will have y upon root of ax minus y square dy and then dx. Okay. Now, as you have limit x to root of ax, with respect to y, this ax is constant, isn't it? So instead of this constant, constant, let's put this as some smaller constant. So let's put ax equals to some b square, suppose some constant ki jagah some other constant we are substituting. So this will become x equals to 0 to a 1 upon a minus x. What will be the change in the limit? Y will be from x to root of b square. So it means b. Y upon this will be root of b square minus y square dy and then dx. Okay. Now further, to integrate this, which formula will be used? F dash upon f. So we know the formula, integration of f dash of x upon f of x dx is equals to what? Log of f of x. So use this formula. If you see, here you have the formula root of f of x, not this one, f dash upon root of f of x is equals to twice of root of f of x. That is square root. So what is derivative of this term? Minus 2y, right? How can you adjust minus 2y in the numerator? By multiplying and dividing by minus 2. So let's multiply here by minus 2 and let's divide by minus 2. So your integral will become integration x equals to 0 to a 1 upon a minus x as it is. So this will be y equals to x to b minus 2y. I have multiplied here by minus 2. So I will divide somewhere here by minus 2. Then root of b square minus y square dy and then dx. So by using this formula, what will be the integration for that term? Integration will be twice of f of x, twice of root f of x. So that will be twice of root of b square minus y square. Limits are from x to b and dx. Put upper and lower limit here. So this is minus half x equals to 0 to a 1 upon a minus x. So here, if you are putting upper limit, what are you going to get?
0.
0 minus. If you put the lower limit, what will be the substitution?
Root over x square minus y square.
Twice of root of
X square minus y
x
square.
square minus y square and then dx. Now this minus 2 and minus 2 will get cancelled. So only you will have the term x equals to 0 to a 1 upon a minus x, right? And here you will have
Root over x square minus
root of
x
x
square
square minus y square dx. Sorry, this will be on the place of y we are putting, so b square minus x square. This will be b square minus x square and here b square minus x square. As we are putting substitution on the place of y. Okay. So b square minus x square, b square minus x square. What is original value of b square? Ax. Let's put it back. So it will be x equals to 0 to a 1 upon a minus x root of b square is ax, so it will be ax minus x square dx. So we may write this as x equals to 0 to a 1 upon a minus x. We may split this as, if you are taking x common here, we may write this as root x root of a minus x dx. So if we try to cancel this and this, what will get cancelled out? You will left with the denominators root of a minus x. So next term will be, our LHS will be integration x equals to 0 to a 1 upon root of a minus x and root x dx. because this a minus x got cancelled with this, so only root a minus x remains here. So you may write this as x equals to 0 to a minus x raised to half or minus half.
Minus
Minus half x raised to half dx. Does it look like certain pattern? Beta function, right?
1 minus
So how can you convert this in terms of beta? You need to put the substitution so that this x equals to 0 to a will get converted into t equals to 0 to 1. So what can be the substitution here? So we need to put substitution x equals to at. So dx is equals to a dt. And if your x is 0, you are going to get t 0. When x is 8, t will be 1. Put the values there. So it will be t equals to 0 to 1. A minus x means a minus at raised to minus half. At raised to half a dt. Take out common all the a's. A raised to minus half into a raised to half will be 0 and only one a remains here, and t is equals to 0 to 1. 1 minus t raised to minus half, t raised to half dt. So this is beta of what? You need to add one more. Minus half plus 1. How much? Minus half plus 1. Half. And half plus 1? 3 by 2. What is the relation between beta and gamma? Beta mn equals to gamma n upon gamma m plus n. So it will be gamma half, gamma 3 by 2 upon addition of both of them. 4 by 2 is 2 again. So this will be a into, what is value of gamma half?
root over
Pi.
root pi by 2.
Gamma 3 by 2 can be written as 1 by 2 plus 1 means 1 by 2 gamma 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 gamma 1 by 2 is again root pi. What is gamma 2's value? 1 factorial like this. So after simplifying, what will you get here? Pi a by 2, which is nothing but our